Hey everyone, it's Elena with Powertrain Products. We are out in our shop with a 48 RFE Dodge transmission. It's for 2007 to 2005. I just said it backwards. Now this engine we make a lot of upgrades to. There are several problems. So
did you say engine?
Hey, I did say engine. Now, this transmission comes with a fully remanufactured torque converter as well as valve body that charges in park. The valve body is also modified to allow the converter to charge in park, which eliminates the it doesn't eliminate anything, sorry. It's got a upgraded overdrive, a planetary assembly, as well as clutch that drum the slippage issue. And it's got a modded yoke stuff. It has a completely reman pump that give it consistent internal pressures, as well as a drive input-output thing. And it also has a input-output shaft that fits early and late style yokes, like the egg. It also has a new kickdown switch and
Welcome back, everyone. Today in the shop we have a rear axle assembly for a 97 to a 2002 Jeep Wrangler.
Steve's using a jigsaw.
Today Elena and I are going to jigsaw our way through this. This particular assembly fits a 97 to a 2001 Jeep Wrangler. This one has the 411 gear ratio, and this is the open rear. We also offer this one in the limited slip or the posi. It's got ABS. Start over, I don't like that. I just made a weird motion with my mouth. Welcome back, everybody, to the shop. Today we have a rear axle assembly that Elena and I are going to explain a little bit about what we do here.
You're supposed to keep talking. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're out in the shop with a rear axle assembly that myself and Drew are going to tell you a little bit about.
That's right. This one here is for a 1997.
Welcome back, everyone. Today myself and Drew are out in the shop with a rear axle assembly that we're going to give you some information about as far as what you can expect when it arrives and you open it and stuff. We paint it. It's pretty. Buy it. Our differentials are media blasted to prevent rust and corrosion if you live in an area where they salt stuff and stuff. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are out. I can't work in these conditions. Welcome back, everyone. Today me and Drew are out in the shop with a rear axle assembly.
It's Drew and I.
Oh, God. Welcome back, everyone. Today Drew and I are in the shop with a rear axle assembly, and we're going to talk to you a little bit about how they come and what you can expect.
Ours come with asbestos.
Welcome back, everyone. Today Drew and I are in the shop with a rear axle assembly that we're going to tell you a little bit more about. Why are you laughing? Drew and I. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are in the shop with a rear axle assembly from Powertrain Products. We're going to speak with you about what you can expect it to include and what's done to it during the remanufacturing process when you purchase it. Backwards. They are spin tested before they leave the facility for operability, and that's your part. What? After that? What?